Hi. Today I'm going to make a paper airplane. This is one of the best ones I made. You just need a nice paper like that. Now you want to, let me see if there's, let's put some more light over here. Bring it 1 second, please. Okay. Oops, I'm so sorry. Okay, perfect. Now, that's for that. You just want to do this perfectly. In a second. Okay, now open it up. Line it up so it's easy, that's why. Do that, and then you want to go in here and then fold it right here. So it will look like this, and then you have to do it to the other side. Which basically sucks. Correct. Just to literally line it up perfectly. Okay, you really want to fill out this. So it looks like this with this inside, and then we're going to make it like that. I want to take right here. Right. That more light. Actually, I want to get these flaps, line it up all down here. All this has to line up. And that's how you do. And then you want to do that to the other side. Flip that over. Like this. There. You want to open this. I watched many videos how to make all these, lots, like, I think like a lot of airplanes. I made this airplane. No, Corey. This ain't really making. No, I'm not. No, what if I make my toy train? No. That's it. Okay. And that's all.
Are you done?
Is that better? And then we'll open it up perfectly. Looks like this. I don't have really good light. So this is this thing, and then this is the airplane. Okay. See, watch how I throw. Okay, that's terrible. The airplane.
Are you done with this?
Ready? Ready. Here. Let's throw it. It's amazing. And that's how you make an airplane. Okay. Bye. Oh yeah. And my channel, I made some stupid videos in the past. Now I'm going to make paper airplanes and